Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. The topic on the table today is breaking down the potential scenario of Hertz joining the list of meme stocks and what to expect after Hertz exits bankruptcy.
Today's video will be broken down into 4 parts, analyzing Hertz's bankruptcy plan, the likelihood of it becoming a meme stock, the short and long-term opportunity, and is Hertz a buy, and what do we plan on doing? To give a little context, after the pandemic struck, many companies, including Hertz, struggled as travel came to a halt, as did the rest of the world. This left many companies to struggle financially, as they had no clear timeline with when the pandemic would ease. Unfortunately, the pandemic forced Hertz into bankruptcy, and this led the NYSE to delisting Hertz's shares on the exchange. Fast forwarding now, almost 1 year later after Hertz's shares were delisted off the NYSE, 3 companies including Knighthead Capital Management, Certeris Management, and Apollo Capital Management proposed a bankruptcy plan to buy out Hertz out of Chapter 11. This bankruptcy bid technically gave Hertz a second chance at life, and to shareholders as well. Typically, many companies who emerge out of bankruptcy would have new shares trading under the reorganized company, leaving the old shares worthless. But this time is different. According to the proposed plan, current shareholders will receive roughly 3% of the share of the reorganized company, with 30-year warrants for 18% of the stock, with a strike price based on a total equity value of $6.5 billion. A person familiar with the matter from Hertz has stated the plan would deliver significant value, existing shareholders including. The deal gives the reorganized Hertz an enterprise value of $7.43 billion. The proposal will also eliminate about $5 billion of Hertz's current debt and provide an additional $2.2 billion of global liquidity.
Is Hertz a meme stock? Before GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and more all took their mainstream media by storm, there was one stock before this madness that created all of this attention into Wallstreetbets. And that stock was Hertz. Due to the NYSE determining that Hertz was no longer suitable for its listing, it sparked a lot of interest with a lot of retail traders, especially from the Wallstreetbets community. This led to a trading frenzy, as many traders were piling up into Hertz's stock days after hearing the potential news of delisting and after bankruptcy. The price action of Hertz was unfathomable to the mainstream media and the general public even. Hertz had 3 consecutive days of over 100% gains during intraday trading, with 2/3 finishing above 100%. So now this really takes us to our main portion of the video. Will Hertz become a meme stock once it comes back into the public market? Well, unfortunately, we don't really know until Hertz gets relisted on the stock market, specifically the Nasdaq exchange, where they have chosen. According to the guidelines of Wallstreetbets Reddit forum, degenerates are not allowed to chat about stocks that are under OTC, over-the-counter markets, or under a $1 billion market cap. As we know, once Hertz begins trading again in the US markets, the Wallstreetbets community would probably begin talking about them in their forums. This could potentially ignite a fire of many traders and investors with enthusiasm and potentially be reflected with the price action of Hertz stock in the next couple of trading days.
According to multiple sources, Hertz plans on exiting Chapter 11 by June 30th. With COVID-19 vaccinations and a rebound in the consumer's eagerness to travel once again, Hertz is at the epicenter of the economic recovery that's occurring throughout the country. A recent statement from Paul Stone, the president and CEO of Hertz, said, "We are well positioned to take advantage of increasing global travel demand and new long-term growth opportunities." If anyone has looked into booking a rental car for an upcoming vacation, well, if you don't know, it's been really difficult and extremely expensive. Not only is there a global rental car shortage, but the demand is through the roof, with many families and individuals wanting to travel after being stuck at home for almost an entire year. Overall, the short and long-term opportunity for Hertz seems favorable, with the economy rebounding quite substantially. Hertz is a well-known brand that can only continue improving financially and will truly benefit from the travel rebound worldwide.
So now to another big question. Is Hertz a buy? Well, this is solely based on your personal risk tolerance. Hertz presents an interesting short and long-term opportunity, which is dependent on when or if the stock will gain compliance to join under the Nasdaq exchange. If Hertz begins trading back in the stock market, I can definitely see it trading at roughly 50 to 75% higher than the current price.
I currently hold a relatively small position, which I plan on holding for 6 months to even 1 year. Depending on the price action of Hertz, and if we see Hertz double in price, that's when I may trim the majority of my shares and play with house money.
Due to Hertz being listed on the OTC, the over-the-counter markets, I do not currently have a position. However, I am intrigued because of the recent action in Avis Group, ticker symbol CAR, a similar company to Hertz, which has rocketed 800% since its pandemic lows and nearly 100% from its pre-pandemic highs. I could see Hertz possibly doing the same and regaining some of its momentum while going public, as well as it is a great reopening company to hold on to. Therefore, I will keep it on my watch list, and when it goes public, I may think of initiating a position.
Make sure to check out our Instagram page right over here where we post daily stock market picks and updates.
Make sure to check out our Stocks' Twitter and Discord as well, also all linked in the description below. As well as make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and hit that subscribe button as well as those post notifications to keep up with our next videos. Finally, we would really appreciate if you left a comment below telling us something we can improve on for our future videos or a video suggestion, as we are always looking to make our videos better than the last. Other than that, thank you guys for watching and good luck on your investment journey.
Bye!